Today we bring you a natural recipe that will help you get rid of mice, rats, ants and cockroaches forever using only natural ingredients, without adding any toxic chemicals. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to easily make this effective trap that will keep your home and garden safe and pest-free. But before we start, subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, thank you. Mice and rats can be extremely harmful in your home and garden. Inside the home, they can damage food, bite, electrical cables and insulation materials, which can lead to serious problems such as short circuits and even fires. They are also known carriers of dangerous diseases such as hantavirus and leptospirosis, which can endanger the health of your family. In the garden, these pests can do a lot of damage, destroying plants, nibbling on roots and fruits, thus jeopardizing your efforts in growing food. Their presence can also attract other pests, which can further worsen the situation. We will reveal to you a simple recipe for a natural trap that will help you get rid of mice and rats forever. You need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of vinegar, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a little pepper and 1 liter of water. Mix all the ingredients well, pour into a sprayer and spray in places where you have noticed mouse droppings or the presence of mice and rats. These are natural ingredients that are safe for your family, but extremely unpleasant for these pests. Mice and rats cannot stand these smells and will soon leave your premises. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching.